Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We continue with our Quranic message series, and this is number 61, Make Room for Others at Gatherings. And this is from Surah 58, verse 11. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, iza qila lakum tafassahu fil majalisi فَافْسَهُ يَفْسَهِ اللَّهُ لَكُمْ وَإِذَا قِيلَ انشُرُوا فَانشُرُوا يَرْفَعِ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مِنكُمْ وَالَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ دَرَجَاتٍ وَاللَّهُ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ خَبِيرٌ. O you who believe, when you are asked to make room in the assemblies, spread out and make room. Ample room will Allah provide for you. And when you are told to rise up, rise up. Allah will rise up to suitable ranks and degrees. Those of you who believe and who have been granted knowledge, and Allah is well acquainted with all you do. O Jamat-ul-Momineen, the Munafiqeen come to your assemblies and sit very closely together so that they can whisper to each other. So, when you are told to spread out in gatherings, do so and sit separately from each other. In this way, they too would have to sit apart from each other. Moreover, this will remove your doubt that one amongst you is conspiring against a particular person. This should be the normal way of sitting in such gatherings. In a similar manner, Allah will also open up many avenues for you. And when you are told to disperse after the assembly is over, you should get up and do so. These matters appear very ordinary, but they have far-reaching effects. As regards adherence to such manners, Allah will elevate the status of those who accept such behavior to be correct and true, and know the rationale. Remember, Allah's law of Mukafat, or consequences, is fully aware of all that you do. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.